Hi everyone, this is Jamie Westoven with Overlay Consulting. In this video, we're going to go over how to create energy meters and how to manually add energy data to your property. By this point, you should already have a Portfolio Manager account created with your property added to your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll want to select your property from your dashboard that you want to add energy data to. From here, we're going to click on the Energy tab. As you can see, currently there are no energy meters associated with your property, so we're going to go ahead and select Add a Meter. On this next page, you'll need to select the different energy sources that your building uses and how many meters you have of each. I'm going to go ahead and select one electric meter purchased from the grid and one natural gas meter. Once this page has been filled out, you can go ahead and click Get Started. On this next page, you'll need to enter some additional information about your meters. You can leave the first three columns as is, unless you want to change the meter name. Now, you'll need to enter the unit of measure and the meter activation date. You can find the unit of measure for each energy source on one of your utility bills. Typically, natural gas will be billed in therms. But if your natural gas provider bills in decatherms, MMBtu, or MBtu, you can go ahead and select the MBtu/MMBtu option, and no conversion is necessary. Electric is almost always billed in kWh, kilowatt hours. But again, you'll want to make sure and confirm on your electric bill before selecting this option. For the date the meter became active, you'll want to enter the date for which you want to start tracking your bills from. For example, since this year you're reporting energy data for 2018, you'll want to start tracking bills beginning at January 1st, 2018, if not earlier. Once this page is completed, you can go ahead and select Create Meters. Now you'll have the option to manually enter each monthly entry or to upload the data through a spreadsheet template. If you choose to manually enter each month, you'll need to know the start date, end date, and usage. It gives you the option to enter cost information and whether this is an estimation or not. You don't have to enter this, but it does give you the option if you would like to track anything related to cost. On your bill, you want to look for the read dates, so the actual time of the usage, which might not necessarily be the bill date. When determining the usage, you'll want to find the billed usage, so the actual amount you were charged for. You want to make sure at least 12 entries covering the entire reporting year have been entered. So from January 1st, 2018 through December 31st, 2018. Make sure to click Save Bills or Continue at the bottom of the page. The data won't automatically save. Next, if you choose to upload your utility data using the spreadsheet template, you'll first need to download the spreadsheet template at the bottom of the page. From here, again, you'll need to enter the start date, end date, and usage, as well as whether this data is an estimation or not. Again, it gives you the option to add cost and demand, but this is not required. Once all 12 months have been entered into this Excel spreadsheet, you can go ahead and save the file, and then go back to your Portfolio Manager account, where you can choose the file, and then upload it to your account. At this point, you can go ahead and confirm that all 12 entries have been added to your account, covering all of 2018. Again, you'll want to make sure to continue at the bottom of the page so that all of this information is saved. Next, it'll bring you to a page where you need to select the meters included in your metrics. You're going to want to make sure both of your meters are checked, and that you select the options stating that these meters account for the total energy consumption in your building. Once this page is filled out, you can go ahead and click Apply Selections. At this point, you've successfully added energy meters to your property. These meters you can continually update and add to as more energy data becomes available. Now you can see that an energy graph has been populated with monthly data, and either an Energy Star score or an EUI has been generated in the upper right corner. If you don't see an Energy Star score or EUI in the upper right corner, be sure to watch my video titled How to Check for and Correct Data Errors in Energy Star Portfolio Manager for some assistance. I'm Jamie with Overlay Consulting. Thanks for watching.